well, relatively modern Wedgwood. Well, modern for me anyway. Probably late 20th century, early 21st. This is not in production currently, but it's got modern, well, relatively modern Wedgwood marks on. I'm really having to guess the dates on these. I think they're probably the very earliest 1980s through to around the year 2000, because they're made in England, Wedgwood, and that does show some of the date range for them. They're very elegant, straight-sided, 2 and 5/8 inch diameter, 2 and 5/8 inch tall. They're the same size as the standard Mirabelle Wedgwood coffee cans made in Mirabelle and a variety of other patterns, but these are in the pure white porcelain finish with no decoration on them at all. They're in absolute mint condition. Don't think they've ever been used. Same period, late 20th century, Wedgwood made in England, bone china marks on the saucer. Translucent china, very, very nice and simple, clean. I'm sure they're going to appeal to a lot of people. They are very simple, very stylish, hold about a triple espresso, so they're larger than a sort of old English coffee can. And they do pay attention to the measurements on the website. We've measured all these for you, so you can get some indication of the scale of them. If you're expecting a small demi-tasse style old-fashioned coffee can, then these are a scale up from that, but certainly not mug size either. If I bring my hand in there to give you some indication of it, but do look at the measurements. On available through the website, we've got 10 of them, I think, came in a set. Sale individually for the replacement market. Do have a look at them on the product link below. I'll take you directly through to our website listing. Thanks for watching.